Hello, people. My name is Tiko Tamiru. This is my post secondary college research. I'm with the Northern Caps Global Business and Logistics Strand, and I'm planning to attend a university fall of 2024. So, the university that I want to attend is University of Missouri, Kansas City, UMKC. It's located in Kansas City, Missouri. And at UMKC, the business school that I want to attend is called the Block School. There are tons of reasons that I would want to attend UMKC, and you'll find out more on my upcoming slides. Here's a little information that I found about UMKC. It's a public university in Kansas City, Missouri. There are over 16,000 students at UMKC, over 79 countries represented, multiple campuses on site, 14 NCAA Division One athletics, 300 plus student organizations, professional groups, and clubs, 14 Greek letter organizations. Their class size are about 27 students per class. It's an average overall. So there are tons of opportunities at UMKC, but some of the top scholarships that I found are the Creator Scholar Award, about 5,000, Trustees, Marion H. Block, Henry W. Block. Those are full ride scholarships. There's Casey Scholar for 11th grade students. This is another full ride scholarship. Career Accelerator, um, that'll give you about 2,500 if you want to stay on campus. That'll be toward your housings, and if you don't want to stay, they'll pay you around 1,500 toward your tuitions. There's first gen scholarship. It's another scholarship for first time students from their families. There are multiple more opportunities. Like I said, you can find out more on their website. So at UMKC, they have over 125 academic areas to choose from. Basically, whatever you want to study, they'll most likely have it at UMKC. There are admission requirements. There are multiple admission types for freshmen or first-time students. There are three types. So automatic admission for if you have 2.75 core GPA, test optional admissions, and a competitive admission. Those will vary on what field you want to study. For transfer students, it's automatic admission if you have 2.75 core GPA. The affordability to attend UMKC, try to break down the costs a little bit. Tuition and fees around 13,000. Residence hall for housing is around 11,000. Books and supplies around 900. Parking will be another cost to add on. Travel to and from, depending on where you want to stay off of the campus. For more information, you can contact UMKC at 816-722-2769. You can either call them or text them. That's their admission office number. A fact that I found about at UMKC is that about 95% of first time students and 87% of transfer students get some combination of scholarship, grants, loans, or work study jobs. So the field that I want to study at UMKC is called supply chain management. It requires around 120 credit hours. And the business school that I want to attend at UMKC is called the Black School. Some facts I found about Black School: there are around 1,100 total enrollments, 60 plus faculties, 10 plus Black schools and organizations. Their students to faculty ratios around 19 to 1. And once you graduate, you have around 91% of career placement. There are over 250 employees looking to hire black graduates. The high starting salary around 105,000, and the average starting salary around 50,000. And three big companies that I picked are Children's Mercy, Cerner, and Amazon. So there are many reasons that I want to attend UMKC, but just to name a few, it's very close to home. There's cost efficiency. Plus, I get so many scholarship opportunities. I get internship opportunities, networking opportunities, and you have access to the city. There's also broad study, which is very important for my field, going over to a foreign country and studying how their business works. Last but not least is their outstanding faculties and their quality education. Some important dates that I've picked that I thought might be helpful is August 1st, their application opens. December, their FAFSA opens. January, spring orientation. March is when they release their financial aid package. You can go ahead, accept or decline. May 1st is the official commitment day for the full semester. From June through July is the orientation for the full semester. June 15 is the application deadline, and I've put their phone number, email, and website if you need more information on that. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you have a good day.